Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Achievers once again. I hope all of you are doing well. Pakistan Navy is one of the most professional navies in the world, and we today are extremely honored that the Chief of Naval Staff, Admiral Noman Bashir, has actually honored us with his time. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for being on board of Achievers and welcome.
Wa alaikum salam. Thank you very much.
The honor is all ours. Thank you आपने वक्त निकाला. और सबसे पहले I would like to ask you कि आपने कब ये सोचा कि आप नेवी में आना चाहते हैं?
बहुत पुरानी बात आप कह रही हैं.
थोड़ी याद करें.
When I had done my inter,
जी.
FSC की थी, and उसके बाद छुट्टियां हो जाती हैं. So that is the time when all the boys and perhaps now with girls also they start to think what to do. Graduation करनी है, engineering करनी है या. But in those times when I did my FSC, this was in 1970. Armed forces, like now also,
They were on the
had a very good sort of a reputation and very respected service. So essentially it was to join armed forces for two reasons. One, that you are entering into a very respected service, and second, you're running away from studies. So
you used to run away from studies. पहले भी भागते थे पढ़ाई से.
मेरा ख्याल है पढ़ाई से तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा भागता था, but there's always a charm to become an officer and assert some authority rather than to be immersed in books.
Right.
So वो थी, but essentially armed forces in my view were always, and they still are, the most respected, the most upright service in this country and in any other country for that matter. So I think, so now you ask me that why, when I did think of joining the Navy in particular, that is also interesting. I did my inter from Lahore. So Navy के साथ मेरा कोई ऐसा नहीं था, familiarization नहीं थी. In fact, I had never seen the Navy as such. I had only seen ships and pictures and all. So there was one of my friends whose brother was in the Navy. And when we were saying, अच्छा भाई आप फौज ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, कौन सी करें, so अखबार में इश्तिहार आते हैं रिक्रूटमेंट के, तो एयर फोर्स का भी आया और नेवी का भी आया. So I applied in both. Why Navy? Because one इश्तिहार आया, दूसरा मेरा दोस्त था, उसका भाई नेवी में था, तो उसने कहा यार नेवी ज्वाइन करेंगे, तो वहाँ पे मेरा भाई भी है, so you look after us, so we'll have a easy time. So तो मैंने वो अप्लाई कर दिया एयर फोर्स में और नेवी में. सो आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन बोथ.
ठीक है. तो
मैंने वो एयर फोर्स को फोगो करके तो नेवी में रह गया. और आई मेट दैट फ्रेंड बिकॉज देयर वर हॉलीडेज 3 महीने के बाद. तो उससे मिला, मैं कहा यार मेरे तो सिलेक्शन हो गई है, सो तेरी भी हो गई है, व्हाट अबाउट यू? कहता आई डिड नॉट अप्लाई. मैं कहा डैम इट, यू टोल्ड मी टू अप्लाई एंड बिकॉज यू सजेस्टेड योर ब्रदर इज देयर. कहता नहीं, मैंने आफ्टर आई डिस्कस्ड विद यू आई रैंग अप माय ब्रदर इन कराची एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम कि जी भाईजान मैं नेवी ज्वाइन कर लूं. तो उन्होंने कहा मैं अकेला ही नेवी में काफी हूं, तेरी जरूरत नहीं है. सो दैट इज हाउ ही डिड नॉट कम टू द नेवी एंड आई एंडेड अप इन द नेवी.
अच्छा, हम लोग ये सुनते हैं कि जैसे आर्मी में बेचारे जो नए कैडेट्स जाते हैं उनका जो सीनियर्स हशर करते हैं, तो मुझे ये बताइए कि नेवी में क्या करते हैं?
हशर
कैसे
वो हो जाता है? बिकॉज वो जरूरी भी है. देयर इज अ ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम सिविल लाइफ टू मिलिट्री लाइफ. Military life is very different from an ordinary civilian's life. It has to be very disciplined. There has to be an inbuilt sort of acceptance to obey orders, because in military you are essentially taking people to their, to the worst thing, that they can be killed. So unless that thing is ingrained deeply into an individual's personality, so uske liye transition ke liye the best way is to let it happen as quickly as possible.
अच्छा, अभी अगर आप याद करें the first day at your training academy, What do you remember? क्या याद आता है?
I very clearly remembered, and you know, it's interesting also, now that you make me go back in times. My mother packed a big suitcase for me, you know, stuffed in all the things. Academy में जा रहे हैं तो चीजें होनी चाहिए पास. I was carrying this huge suitcase, and when I ended up in the academy, मेरे साथ और भी थे जो cadets वहाँ पे आए. तो the first thing we did was we got into a fallen, जैसे कहते हैं वो, you know, stand together. और उसका pick up your suitcases on your heads and double start, you know, running. So for me it was difficult, you know, I was not used to running in the first place, and then to pick up such a heavy sort of a suitcase and run with it. So that very clearly I remember that. That was the first. Then I was cursing, मैं क्यों ले आया हूँ इतनी चीजें अपने साथ. तो वो है, but I, you know, in hindsight when you look back, कि वो 1.5 साल जो था academic, it was very tough, but very useful. Tough in the sense that there was an aim behind what was being done. It was not done for the sake of doing. As I said, the aim was actually to get an individual into a military frame of mind.